Thanks to a recent update, you can now seamlessly transfer your Apple Music playlist to YouTube Music. So for whatever reason, if you want to ditch Apple Music and switch your loyalty to YouTube Music, there is an official way to make the transition. If that's precisely what you are looking for, follow along to learn how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, ensure that you have an active Apple Music subscription or iTunes Match subscription and an active YouTube Music account. And then you have to launch a browser and then head over to Apple's data and privacy page. And now you have to sign in using your Apple ID account. And after that you have to select transfer a copy of your data option. And then you have to sign into your YouTube Music account. And then you have to go through the instructions to complete the transfer request, and that's pretty much it. When you start a transfer, Apple sends email notifications to the email addresses associated to your Apple ID account. It's worth pointing out that the playlists that are transferred are not deleted from Apple Music, and the transfer process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on how many playlists are being transferred. Note that when the music transfer is complete, you receive a confirmation email from Apple that the transfer process is complete, and your playlists appear in the Library tab in YouTube Music. If a song is missing from a playlist, it might not be available in YouTube Music, and if you update a playlist after it has been transferred, it won't be updated in other service. And if you cancel your transfer playlists that have already been transferred, remain in YouTube Music. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can seamlessly transfer Apple Music playlists to YouTube Music. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.